We've all experienced incredible anger or crushing sadness before, but for small children, these big feelings can feel all too big. Let us help you teach the children in your life how to self-regulate. For children, self-regulation takes practice and intentional instruction from adults that they trust. In this video, we will go over some practical tips on how to teach the children you care about how to regulate their emotions. Be the example. Model self-regulation for the children you care about. If you're not balanced, you can't teach anyone else to be balanced. Provide structure and reliability. Familiar routines help children feel secure. Help children recognize and name their feelings. Tools like emotion stamps and feeling charts can be great tools for this. Unknowns are inherently scary, so when you help children label their feelings, it puts the child back in control. Defining age-appropriate limits, such as classroom rules, helps children feel safe and know what is expected of them. Make a habit of practicing these rules with the children. Introduce children to mindfulness techniques like yoga, or counting to 5 when you're angry, or try the rainbow breathing exercise. Above all, be caring and show empathy so that children recognize that you understand their needs. This makes them feel validated and helps them better control their strong emotions. Children need to learn from caring, dependable adults how to self-regulate. These tips are applicable both in and out of the classroom. So the next time a child close to you is experiencing big feelings, be the caring and balanced adult that they need. To learn more, please visit the Learning Center at kaplanco.com.